The biggest problem for me was deciding to start. Like, to just have the courage to just go home and be like, okay, I'm doing this. I'm not going to be sitting for placements. Don't expect that from me. I'll finish my degree. I'll keep that as like final year only, so that's not won't be an issue. But making that clear to my parents that okay, this is something that I want to do. Having the
How
courage
did
to
your
say that.
parents react?
They were pretty supportive, to be honest, because I gave them a proper investor VC pitch. I made a deck and went home.
Oh,
Yeah,
what?
with my
Really?
laptop, yeah. I did my homework.
Okay. So, what was the slide that you presented to them that got them to say yes?
It was the last slide because in the last slide is where I showed the financials, and then when they saw money and they're like, okay, is this something that you can really do? And my mom was in from the first slide itself. My dad took some convincing.
So, parents convincing them is pretty difficult when you're in high school. So, you're supposed to go off to college, but then you're going up and like talking to investors, talking to mentors that how do I do this? I have no idea how to do this. So, that definitely was a part that I think, needed to cross. But after that, because we got so much support from school, and also because in a lot of competitions and a lot of events, we were the youngest ones there. And in a lot of cases, there are disadvantages with that, but in ours, it was like kind of an advantage because we could just walk up to anyone and say, hey, can you give us guidance on this? So that was definitely a good point.
Yeah, I'm still convincing my parents.
So, how frequently do you have to have the conversation with them that you're a founder now?
So every time I call my parents, they will be like, "Job apply kiya ki nahi?" Like, IITs mein apply kiya ki nahi? So that conversation is still going on. I think it will take some more time because back home यही था कि इतना पढ़ाई कर लिया तो you have to get job into like NITs में IITs में assistant professor बन जाओ like or any government job. So that is what they prefer. And when I tell them that I'm doing this on my own and I'm starting a company, so they will say that ठीक है वो सब ठीक है but job कब कर रहे हो? So that is still going on.
I am also still convincing my parents.
You still are? क्या बोलते हैं कि
मेरे पेरेंट्स माँ जो है वो पहले मतलब उन्होंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा अपोज किया था कि मतलब फादर मेरे उन्होंने स्टार्टिंग से ही सपोर्ट किया है हर चीज़ में बट व्हेन आई told him that I want to start such kind of thing and I was 2023 passed out from IIT Delhi. So I got the placement in a Mumbai based textile chemical company. So I was in Mumbai. But the process of this making the product and the market traction and going to the buyers and showing them samples. So this was already going in around 10 months. I took the leave of 4.5 months in the job. So फिर जब मैंने पापा को बताया तो मतलब इट वाज द टाइम व्हेन द वन न्यूज वाज कमिंग ओवर द टीवी दैट इन द जोधपुर राजस्थान आई बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम द राजस्थान.
अच्छा.
सो
कहाँ से?
धौलपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट.
अच्छा.
इट इज द बॉर्डर ऑफ यूपी राजस्थान.
मैं जानती हूँ धौलपुर.
हाँ. सो देयर वाज अ पर्सन हु हैज स्टार्टेड इट्स ओन बिजनेस एंड ही टुक द लोन ऑफ 5.5 crores and then he hanged himself. So it was the news that was coming. So my father called me.
कि छोड़ दो सबको जो नौकरी वापस कर लो.
उन्होंने बोला कि मतलब ये हमारी फैमिली में किसी ने नहीं किया है जो तू कर रहा है तो अगर तेरे में ऐसा हो कि मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए तेरे ऊपर लेकिन ऐसा अगर इतना हो हिम्मत के ये सब चीज़ें तू झेल सके तो करना भाई नहीं छोड़ दे अभी से ही मत कर. तो या बोलो कितना भी कुछ भी हो जाए मान लो तेरे ऊपर कितना भी लोन चढ़ जाए लेकिन मर मत जाना ऐसे मत कर लेना क्योंकि वो वाली बात है. तो फिर मैंने
आपको इसी बात का तो डर लगता है.
तो मैंने कहा नहीं मरूंगा तो नहीं मैं